Sophia, you're finished already? Well done. Sophia is so intelligent. See how she learns, Emma? Clap for her.
How can they laugh at me? I will tell her! You're smart, but you can't even walk. That was unkind, Emma. Please stop now.
Yeah, leave her alone, please.
She said Sophia can't walk.
Nobody should ever say that.
I just want to walk, Mum.
Not again. Not that roof again. Sleep well, my brave girl.
I saved Sophia a seat yesterday. I'll do it again.
3 pieces. A new record for me.
That's not very healthy, Tom.
We should leave in 10 minutes.
I already packed both lunches.
Local charities are now closing their hospital waiting lists.
Rain stopped. That's good for Sophia's wheels. You saved me a seat again? Of course I did, always.
I carried your bag. Quite heavy.
Thank you, Tom. Really kind. Let's sit by the wall today.
Good idea. More space there.
I like watching everyone run sometimes.
There's a new student. Her name's Emma.
Oh, the ramp is blocked today. We can move these boxes ourselves.
Good idea. Let's start now. This one's heavier than I thought.
Push, don't lift. That's easier.
Need a hand with those, you two?
Yes, please, Dad. It's heavy.
There, that board won't move now.
Thank you so much, Mr. Watson. Thank you. I couldn't get up here.
Sophia, you're finished already? Well done. Sophia is so intelligent. See how she learns, Emma? Clap for her.
How can they laugh at me? I will tell her! You're smart, but you can't even walk. That was unkind, Emma. Please stop now.
Yeah, leave her alone, please.
Emma said something mean to Sophia.
What exactly did she say?
She said Sophia can't walk.
Nobody should ever say that.
I just want to walk, Mum.
Lily, come in, it's getting cold. We're saving for Sophia's operation first.
I will help. I promise, somehow. What are you drawing, Sophia? Just something. It's not finished. It's me. In my dream, I run. Sophia needs surgery. They can't pay.
We'll find a way to help.
We must always be kind, especially to friends. Making fun of anyone's disability is completely wrong. We will not tolerate that here. We will raise a special fund for Sofia. Everyone can contribute to help.
You can't even walk. I'm really sorry. I was wrong. It's okay. Thank you, Emma. My dad is a surgeon. I'll ask him.
Everyone is dropping money inside.
Look at that! Our friends are so kind, Tom.
Look how full the jar is.
Everyone wants to help her.
Every little bit helps Sophia's family.
It really does. Every bit counts. We're close, but not enough yet.
We won't give up now.
Dad, I need your help. Please help my friend walk again.
Tell me everything, Emma. I am listening.
My dad said yes. He'll help. Really? Thank you so much, Emma.
Sophia, the surgery is happening. Soon.
I'm a little scared, Lily. We'll wait right here for you.
We will wait for you, Sophia.
It will be all right.
I believe that.
It went very well. She's resting now.
She's safe.
She's safe.
You're doing it! You're really doing it!
Sophia, that's amazing!
Keep going!
I love walking on grass. I love watching you walk.
I got Sophia the biggest scoop.
What a wonderful day this was.
It really was. A perfect day. A true friend helps because it's right.
That's what we did, Mum.
Pass it to me, Sophia. We can win this together.
Look at me, Lily. I am running on the field. Keep going, Sophia. You are so fast.
I did it, Lily. I finally scored a goal.